to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy and tasty burger. Before going to the video, if you're watching my video for the first time, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon right next to it so that you'll get my next video as a notification. So then let's go to the video. First you take chicken breast. You can also use beef, but I recommend chicken. And next 3 chopped onions. After that 2 tablespoons garlic paste. Then little coriander leaf. Then some crushed pepper. After grinding well, make patties like this.